Scotland is showing a lot of international leadership on ethical, trustworthy and inclusive AI. But of course, AI is not new for Scotland. We've had a lot of academic expertise and research expertise for many, many decades. Now, of course, the world's changing so fast, and it's really important that we deploy AI for the benefit of our society and our economy as well. And it's great to see these issues being discussed here at the Scottish AI Summit.
So it's amazing here. I've had a great morning. The number of people who have come up to me and said that what I was talking about are things that are playing out in their business or their organisation now, and they're having to make home choices. And it's been such a warm and welcoming audience of people who feel like they're really committed to equality, the trust, all those great values of the event.
Scottish AI Summit today has been amazing. I've been over in the exhibitor hall. We've had so much engagement from everyone who's been here, asking questions, really making us think about the ideas around responsible AI in a new way, and the kids were the ones that asked the trickiest, I have to say.
For me, the highlight today has been hearing about how children and young people engage with AI. This is a topic I knew nothing about until today. So to be able to sit in a room and listen to their feelings, experiences, hopes and fears for the future of AI in Scotland has been my highlight.
I'm really glad to be here. It's so exciting to see so many different panels and talks on issues of fairness and trust. It's not always like the focus of AI summits. I think there's a tendency to get caught up in the hype. So having a place where these discussions around bias and around fairness are central is great.
It's been really interesting and really nice to have such a focus on the kind of ethics and social impact of AI and kind of fairer and more inclusive AI. That's something that's very close to my heart and my professional practice. So I really enjoyed that, hearing from lots of different types of people about the actual impact of AI rather than just the technologies of it.
I think my favourite thing today was being able to chat to people from different backgrounds and different disciplines. It's not all technology people, it's not all humanities people, it's not all government and policy people, and it's the chance that you can have 3 or 4 different conversations and take on new perspectives based on their own experiences and how they're using it.